Hey, rock stars. So, what we're going to be working on today is continuing to order whole numbers, okay? So, you can compare any whole numbers. One number will be the greatest or the biggest, and one number will be the least or the smallest. So, we're going to be practicing numbers in the thousands place today. So, we have the number 4,683, 3,725, 4,591. So, what I like to do first is I like to you picture these numbers on a number line, okay? And we always take a look at the right or at the left number, the number that's all the biggest number. And that's what we start by comparing. So you'll see two numbers that have 4,000 with it. Let me just show you right here. So this one has 4,000 and that one has 4,000, but this one has 3,000. So I know that 3,000 is less than 4,000. And then when the numbers are the same, like 4,000 and 4,000, then we go to the next number in the hundreds place. So then we take a look at 4,500 as compared to 4,683. Okay, so we know that the 4,591, it has the 500, so that's less than the 4,600. Okay, so let's continue on. All right, so here's the strategy that we can use to for place value to compare the numbers. So we can first compare 4,683 and 3,725. We're going to line up the numbers by place value. So over here you can see us lining up the numbers, and we're going to compare the digits in the greatest place, the thousands place. We know that 4,000 is greater than 3,000. So we know that 4,683 is greater than 3,725. And I like to show this on a number line. Step 2, you're going to compare 4,683 and 4,591. We're going to line up the digits again by the place value. So here we are lining up. We're going to compare the digits in the greatest place value. So we have 4. And we also so we have 4,000, that is the same. And so when they're the same, then we compare the digits in the next greatest place value. So this happens to be the hundreds. So we know that 500 is hundreds are less than 600s. So I know that 4,591 is less than 4,683. 4,591 is to the left of 4,683 on the number line. Finally, what we're going to do is we're going to place all the numbers on the number line. Since 4,591 also has a 4 in the thousands place, it's also greater than 3,725. So it will be to the right of 3,725 on the number line. 4,591 is to the left of 4,683 and to the right of 3,725 on the number line. So you can see right here that it is right there, a little bit closer to 4,683 because they both have 4,000. And then finally, we're going to identify the least number because that's our question. Remember, going back up here, which of the following numbers is the least, okay? And so when we're looking for the least, we're looking for the smallest. So using place value, you found that 3,725 is less than 4,591 and 4,683. The number line shows that 3,725 is the least number. So the least number is 3,725. Go ahead and practice this, friends, on your homework tonight with the 5 questions, and we'll continue practicing this a little bit more tomorrow. Bye, friends.